Alibaba's platform provides access to a global supplier network and also the security to execute a transaction with a foreign supplier with confidence. The Verified Supplier feature allows us to quickly vet suppliers that we want to do business with. Today, with the COVID-19 pandemic, it's almost impossible to travel to China and walk the factory floor. What I think is really cool about what Alibaba's Verified Supplier has done is they have the Verified Supplier Inspection Report, which is produced by a third-party company, a company like SGS, that provides quite a bit of detail about what that factory does, how many people they employ, what they produce, what their R&D capabilities are, and then pictures of the factory itself, which to me, a picture tells 1,000 words.